And so it's not officially time to start yet, but I'm going to begin and say a few things. First, I just wanted to say that this is a very special occasion, a very auspicious occasion, and a very meaningful occasion. This is the 3rd year anniversary of Venerable Gyaltsen Rinpoche's Parinirvana. And the preparations and the offerings that have been arranged are really quite amazing and wonderful. And this is a very special chance to appreciate and celebrate Venerable Gyaltsen Rinpoche on this special occasion.
Tinidela pepi ngansu latergi shirnyen tang gendamba da dorje fandrodina da ngansu chuji chokbo chomo aninde pemnya tang anindi tratwayonya thangma la tangbo nge trashi delg jagayins.
And I want to begin by saying Tashi Delek to everyone gathered here, our virtuous spiritual friends, our Dharma family, Vajra brothers and sisters, and everyone who has gathered. And so, Tashi Delek to all of you.
다들은 적절은보치, 자절은보치, 공개한 야르나다 가르세고랬다. 로 섬주, 로 니슈낭다 섬주. 드라즈가다 발제른데야 그다 공념다 도거라. 어디는 되는지 다 당보 나랑 나당 당한 소미 섬주자 아리라용 아니 따르탕은 보치나 님마 원나 되게 안되니 다 담아서는 가서다 가르세고래 가가가간로 있나 미망보서 사자망보란 로저와 디나니 라마 치는 거니 진롱다 리가 리당 몰랑가 아니 자처럼 보침자하죠 그래.
And so, since I first met Venerable Gyaltsen Rinpoche, it's been almost 30 years that I spent with him. And when I first came to America 30 years ago, I came to America with about 30 monks. We all came to Tartang Rinpoche's place, and then we all split up and went to different places in America. And myself and Lama Chinam, through the power of our karma and aspirations, we ended up becoming or connecting with and becoming part of Gyaltsen Rinpoche's retinue.
당하랑다고 있는 오늘다니 할리바양 혼나 지금 리당 몰람들이 당아 아직 리 시크테니 배야콘다고 쓰여서는 오늘다 자처럼 보이친다고 라마 ndao sanji ngustao ngar kanguni ndao na ngoni dani halifa mi gten inari lama gten inari kang chen ina o ngaranti khonglam jani pe nanda 지금 무세요 다 무세 시켜들이 인제다 로숨지나 무세 시켜로 어떤 데서 지는 ngaran다고 했나다 단다버다 할리바 지금 무세 때라 지금 소소 지금 치고도 누군가는 나 사슴 아니 센나나 강아르메 어떤 데가 빼는다 지금 리노 여호 태송스.
And so for me, I feel like I had the most amazing, incredible karma. The power of my karma and aspirations. It's just been so incredibly fortunate to have met an extraordinary Lama like Venerable Gyaltsen Rinpoche. It's like meeting an actual Buddha face to face. He was an extraordinary human being and an extraordinary guru. And so to have met him and to have spent time with him. In fact, I could say I've spent about half my life with Venerable Gyaltsen Rinpoche. And it has just been an amazing time, and I've experienced great good fortune and ease and leisure with physically and mentally being without suffering, or mentally also at ease in his presence and through his kindness.
Denita tambo jatarbo chenja tu ngasu tati chig shegorayang temosen denita tambo lama chinamnye tambo kong di Berkeley ma yoni ani wang ngenala 당보는도래 니 인다 제가 참마다 응니기 파 응니 좋은 라고 있는 인다 제가 양 지금 라마 파셔 아니 고선도사 제가 당연히 깔래가 인다 지금 로트거리에 지는 던다지는 당연히 지금 너라고래 어떤 데지는 데니디 냐제 왕근나라 응니 하그래 왕근나라 니마니 zde는 데니 그 세나 rinpoche zega da gari sega yolde chira kogu tuti kalara injina kogu yomare deni de ngani ya chigre jambo yindi de chindong ku ngani di yokya jigla jatra rinpoche ndana chasongwa ani de di kawla rinpoche ndi danda karsa yang na jigndo ani parche rinpoche tawani tsar peble insarigo sanjin kanro lama sonam dang chukunika pa namcha tanga jang deni 설레서 내니 사진 간저 내가 다시 될래서 가리라서 빼 뽑게 하려고 가서 빼지게 한다고 센스 당당 어떤 데에 저처럼 뭐지 자지
So the first time that I met Venerable Gyaltro Rinpoche was when Lama Chunam and I had recently moved to Berkeley. The rest of our group had kind of found different places to stay throughout the United States, but the two of us were sort of left over. And we were staying with Juan. And we just found ourselves staying with him for a couple of days, and he kept mentioning Rinpoche, there's this Rinpoche. And we didn't speak any English, so we didn't really know what he was saying. We just said, oh, yes, okay. But one day we actually finally met Gyaltro Rinpoche. And at that time, was it at Chris Young's house?
Yeah,
Chris Young's house. And Gyaltro Rinpoche had just gotten back from Taiwan. He was there with Sangye Khandro and Lama Sonam and Choku. I think they all came from Taiwan, or they were all there together.
말에 라마 손은 다 주권이 자시 주는이 마용도아
Oh, that's him.
아니 마용은 거니 가르스나 자시 주는라 군다 장도아 지 살는 데니 그러니 비자도 연사를
Oh, that's him.
이거 봐 내니 성경 간로라는 뭐지니 절 대변이 표현사래
That's him.
데니 가르스나 성경 간로 그냥 남쪽 당라 봐 젠도아
This is-
제 데니 성경 간로스를 용송하니 대립됐도
That's him. So this is Lama Sonam Tsering, the artist from Nepal. Okay.
네.
So Rinpoche and Sangye had just gotten back from Taiwan. Lama Sonam Tsering, the artist from Nepal, and Shoku, who was his teacher, had come down from Tashi Choling, where they were making statues. And then I saw Sangye Khandro, and she said, Tashi Delek. And I thought, wow, she speaks very good Tibetan.
어들에다 땅보래다 rinpoche ngoni ngaso poni yote rinpoche 장 민가 고요 말에 ngaso 지가 아래서가 lep게 요바 가양 지금 물람라 장이 용요 말에 ngoni 때 리세죠 뜻는사 편사오렌도 물람낭라 니게요 말에 니트 나 디스나다 무스반다고 세게요래
Impossible.
impossible 근데 그 리세였던 니 ngaso 합득하라 아리라 lep다라 사파이니
So I had never met Rinpoche back in Tibet. We didn't know each other at all, but having reached America and then suddenly meeting him, it was sort of dreamlike to just have that karma suddenly ripening.
어떠랬더니 다른 부제라가 성진 간로니 같은 건가니 니 어떤 부지에서나 성진 공거 추트지 지가요 아니 샌프란시스코라니 진짜 인증문직 대쇼라더니 공거직 록박강 탑탑지고 어떤 데 송송 되니 야 대응이 공거 송치는 살란로 디시는 뭐 이만이 파마테르 되니 공거 되니 토마토솔라 ngene 록바지 고레스 제랑스 칸탑도 록바지 로치스 아니 코니 타랑보니 용레스 네 공급에 송시에 호낭송 되니 다 컨센트한 정하니 배샤던서 많다죠 됐어 배샤당 빨래당 근데 뭐 버렸어
And so Rinpoche and Sangye Khandro were so kind to me. When I first met him, he said, oh, tomorrow I'll be giving a teaching in San Francisco. And the two of you, Lama Chunam and yourself, must come, and I will help you as much as I can. So we went. And we went to the teaching. It was for a couple of days. And at the teaching, Rinpoche told all the students about who we were and how we had come from far away and that we really needed help and support. And he very kindly requested all of the students to help us. And the students responded with incredible generosity. They gave us quite a lot of money and food and everything, bread, everything we might need.
어떤 애지는 되니 디 공다 대양 트라왕 거는 라용래 나 디데서 용조 나던다 되니 디 가라네 디 신이 모르는 보체가 카바르 용송 아니 카바르 용은 지랑이 다시 주는 라야 변나 공념 던도는 그래 송은요 아 인대인은 던도사 말가 되대요라 아니 같은 인대인은 되는거야 로리.
And so that night we were back at Juan's house, and Rinpoche called us, and he said, "Oh, would it be okay if the two of you and Lama Chunam, came to Tashi Choling?" And we responded, "Of course," because really we had no other place to go at all.
어떤데람 되니 응니 트라시 출랑로 우니 트라시 출링니 다파르체 던트가 이즈데요 사레 니 티칼라 공거다 다시 출랭하다 가르세고 곰바장나 로망보연 사마레 옛날다 빼 혼삭된도 공거나 참마 빼 약보 우소 차른도 데니디 나라 다 빼자만 본데 인데 린친 때는서 당 간지를 당 가마다 빼만 본데 옛날 공거티 라마치는 빼양 공을 시작되어요 빼자 호요를 때니 응니 가시니 빼자 작가 때서 따르지 아니 빼텀도 약보자 아니 지금 빼자도 야마 지금 덤니라고다 지금 그까리 있나 지니 데 지니 지금 가르사 뒤서였는가 같이 답답해서 늦지로지서 되는 거니 디 빼자 작가 아주 던터 찍스가 너가 따인데니 빼 약보 늦지선 되는 거니 빼텀도 파잡 너니 Lama Chunam Gati Yanchik Karatsa, as a Dontartas Kayik Taso Yapo Jap or Trajina. Deni Tikala de Muche Sombum Chicken Soin, Rumbochi Jazz Imba Sombum Son, Deninga to Nima Archer Dunjetsga, Sokton Songo, Sokton, Pe Somambo Cherry. Mambo Tikala Mambo Yonson, Danda Lindy Yore. Teni nima is gonna the Sanjin country, Truman Donson. Then when you get Truman on your server, and you in that corner, don't she go?
And so we went to Tashi Choling and probably spent 2 weeks there at first. And Rinpoche asked us, even though it was a kind of a new temple, it was full of wonderful supports. Everything was done really nicely, and it was quite an amazing place already. And there were many, many pages there of the Rinchen Terzut, of the Kongir, and of the Kama, so many pages. And Rinpoche asked us to please take care of the pages, to look through them, make sure they were in order, and to label them. Of course, Lama Chunam is very good with the pages and good with the writing and everything, so he could make the labels really, really nicely. And so Rinpoche asked us to carefully put them in order and label them and take care of them and make them really nice. He said, if you have time, could you please stay and help with this? And so we probably spent at least a week working on the pages and making them as nice as we could. And of course, Lama Chunam is very clever with these things and very good at writing. And so it came out really nicely. And then Rinpoche said that he wanted to do 100,000 soak accumulations. And so we again joined with that group. And probably we spent 7 days doing many soak offerings. And at that time, many students came, such as Lindy. She was there. And then Sangye Khandro did some truma practice, and that was interesting because for the two of us, we had not done truma ever before, and so it was a little tricky to play the drum.
어때래 다들 대진의 되니 뒤지고 어때야 대딩아 천동 되니가니 장들 군바나 다들 정신 스티에 지금 로에는 디 배샤 자가가니 록바 자가라 가르사 즉 셰르지 아니 배샤도서 콘솔라 쉐어지 아니 간소 그룹 지요라 미망보냠 대용요라 어디 나디 진행은 양션 스트리님의 지금도
What?
양션 스트리와
Oh, Junction City.
어디 아니 가르스나 간소 얼무치가 배샤망 보태요라 아니 로빠차가라 탄 배샤 상만 간소 같이 미래를 같이 연는 든지 쉐어지
To Junction City to give to them.
Give to them.
Lasso.
Yeah.
And then Lama Chinam and I went to Chagdud Gompa in Junction City. Rinpoche gave us a lot of money and said, take this there and give it to them and help that group. And so we went there.
어떤 애지는 되니 들어야 다 뜨건 거니 양 다시 줄랑니 마 용는 애들 그래서 벤슨 나라 dom마도 데리다 다 찍서 벤슨 양가 나라 dom마가니 빼던데다 거니 저 거니 잡에 그래서 뭐 총총 열아 very shy 아니 근데지도 빼 니마 공어 좀만 동거래 빼 렌더 또 해. 그랬더니 뒤지고 되네 나마시 다도 고압 좋아 진사래 그래서 너더니 뒤지고 안 되는송 그래서 Thanksgiving ren송. 아니 Thanksgiving은 뭐니 렌디라 라마레스가 간소 되시 주는 데서. 되니 합다 갈라 라마 치는 되니 디디지나. 착식는 아니 디 가르사 디 TV가 나죠 인사리 디 다코 나자 되는 거 좀 송아. 착대에서 찍소. 착 말하다 그 말아 vomit some blood.
Benson Gi Kampa Kare Dunso?
Roma.
Roma?
Roma domestic and
And so then after that, we went to Benson's house for 1 month. We recited many, many Tara practices. So both of us were very shy. We kind of kept to ourselves, but we just sat there and did Tara every single day, lots and lots of Tara practice. And so that kind of got us to probably about September or October, because I remember at Thanksgiving, Les and Lindy invited us, and we had Thanksgiving with them. And it was at that time that Lama Chinam started to become really sick with tuberculosis. He began vomiting blood, and just his health was really poor at that time.
어떻게 되니 디 오늘 디 자트는 뭐 제가 공 디벤스나 dom만 동고근도 아니 제가 dom만 돈나야 호용사리는데 양 그거는 이 배샤당 갈아서 떼거라 어디 자트는 뭐지 공근 아니까 록바지가 요래 되니 벤슨라 양 dom만 동고가 요래 어떤 달이 예
And that whole going to Benson's house, that also was Gyalta Rinpoche's suggestion. He told Benson that he needed a lot of Tara practice, which he did, and he said, you can support these monks, give them food and offerings, and they can practice Tara for you. So again, Rinpoche was kindly taking care of us and giving us opportunities.
되니 다 되니 되니 어레 되니 디카블라 되니 양 rumbuche라 상징칸노니가 말안 된다 근데 로산젤레라나 추송인 근데 그러니까 양 크르스양 그나라 양 크르스양라 양 dom만도는데 디카블라 니 rumbuchega 빼 송도와 제 칼라도서 빼야 버테 거래서 제 칼라 젠다 칼라에 버테면 그냥 칼라에 버테고 그러냐지 칼라도서 지금 요약한데 리비지레라는 싹싹 지적한데 되니 공다 형지 말라니가 거는 거니 칼라도서 존 빼는데 약보지송 되니 거니 되니 할지님을 정해서 dom마토인.
And then at that time, Gyalta Rinpoche and Sangye Khandra went to Los Angeles to give a Dharma teaching. And Rinpoche asked told Chris Young that he should host the two of us, myself and Lama Chinam. And again, we recited Tara, maybe for 15 days. And Rinpoche told Chris Young, you need to feed them really nicely. And so he always bought lots of food, and it was there in the fridge. And then Melanie would come and cook for us very nicely. And so we stayed there and did Tara practice for them.
어들이 다 멍보 띵거 시작도 하지 첫전론으로 살았대. 다그 콩그 저던 콩글로 돼서 ndi잖아. 다 딘사마 저는 거니 양식만 가서 양신의 그게 라 아니 다 rum보치 콩으로 찌스방 건들인데 오늘이라니 할리바 지금 가르사 콩그 치라 요인에서 빼 지금 뒤도가 지금 먼저 가르쳐 그래. 지금 때라 지금 약보지야 당 체크 케어지야 빼는데 콩그 안데 지금도 때라 돈당 빼 약보지는 지금 티가도 소라 빼 약보지야 당 어디가 빼 콩그 던다서 했는데 저당 데니디 너름보지 저당디 아리에 마용 콩라 콩그 빼 본니 할 리바가 지금 사자 몽볼라 팸니 아니 지금 송추 나가졌당 데니디 지금 곰바 코는 도망 곰바리 아니 도망 곰바니 곰비 겐담바자가 다 코는 도망 자처럼 보쳐라 어디 다 공가 양 크당 빼 전보여 살았다 디 겐담바자가 네 수야제야당 다 나브자제야당 다 뜻도 상마데 콩당 아니 도망양 타는 뭐지 콩남반인사 콩남반이래 송은도 옛날에 자처럼 보체도 공 빼 손님 전진사리 가르치나 가와 팬나 빼 지금 담 조하당 아니 간수 장바가 사자 배우고요 장바가 사자니 니당 아니 뜻소 마보라까요래 아니 조하가 사자니 말당 치라도 마보라까요 아 딘소 파티 도마 곰발한테 아니 티조라 콩까 지금 가르사다 지금 따르고 빠르저당 다 지금 semchen mangbo cetara tangya tang cetara piya cetara kongda o tanda jin be ndanda ponni kongre ha liba tanda changchang chugo showa tanda changchang ye ngin zina ka da tinga kongto kapda mangbo ngani nima takbar kapda mangbo ye gre
갑다 mambo sana.
kacha mangbo she gre kapda
And so I won't take any more time giving the little details of what happened here, because what the real point here is to give a little bit more history and story about Rinpoche. But I do just want to say that Rinpoche always took care of me and always was very, very caring and very conscious and very kind to me, and supported me in an amazing way. So I wanted to talk about Rinpoche before he came to America, back when he was in Tibet. He was quite an extraordinary Lama. He went all over Tibet to so many different places, constantly traveling, going different places and teaching and performing practices and pujas. And so he belonged to Domang Monastery. They called him Domang Gyatro. And he supported that monastery. He supported all the monks, the ordained. And he was always carefully supporting them by gathering food, gathering clothing, gathering offerings that would keep the monastery going and take care of everyone. And so he and Yangtang Rinpoche, both of them, were very much responsible for this. And Gyaltsen Rinpoche, he really had incredible merit, because wherever he went, people would make offerings to him. They would offer him food. If he went and stayed with the farmers and did practices there, they would offer him grain. If he went and stayed with the nomads, they would offer him butter and cheese. And everyone would be giving him food and wealth that he could then give to Domang Monastery and use to support all the virtuous activities of the Sangha there. Rinpoche also constantly made vast offerings to life release practices, and also printed many, many prayer flags continuously all the time that he was in Tibet. And so his activities were very vast and really quite amazing.
딸쪽도서 공안수 파인이 똥따르세 그래. 딸쪽도서 똥착 망보 공거 빼 빠르니 아니 리강란제나 어떤데 망보 공거 지는 송도 아니 데니 세따라양 다 샘진 안수의 약당저 아니 라 룩. 그래서 세따라양 빼 망보던데 코즈 밑에서 대적도 되니 공부 세따라 당자가요 송도 던데 망보 던데 지랑 송염 족바듯이 던데 때도 되니 공부 파den서 really 세따라 당가요사.
And so it is said that when Rinpoche was in Tibet, he hung sponsored thousands and thousands of prayer flags up on top of the mountains. And he also was responsible for vast life release practices where yaks and male and female yaks and goats and sheep and all different animals that were meant to be slaughtered would be purchased and protected from that kind of harm. And so he just was constantly engaging in that kind of activity. And as I mentioned before, everyone was making offerings to him and supporting him in that.
어떤데 되니 백콩그 간수 복 곰바도 솔라 지금 뭐자 구저당 이제 저저당 동서 곰바 몽볼라데 냥미 곰바 치고 마임 방아서 조낭다고 있나리 아니 겔 곰바 있나리 지금 곰바 가와 뱀나 콩그 콘솔라 지금 디 콩베 지금 베샤도 손 베랑진 그 콩게 손음 돼서 요사리 근데 베 지금 디 가르세고 리샤로 콩그 벤 런다 던데 나라가 엄청버 빼망보던데 제가 요 송은데 아니 갑다지도 다른 아다가 거니까 자식이요라.
And so in Tibet, the monasteries that he supported, he didn't only support the Nyingma monasteries, the monasteries of his own tradition, but he supported the monasteries wherever he went. So he made offerings to the Jonang monasteries, to the Gelugpa monasteries. Whatever monastery was there, he would make as vast offerings as he could. And so through his merit, he was always gathering the funds and the means to make offerings to and support all of these different monasteries and all of these different kinds of virtuous activities.
대니당이 동어직했고 아니 공개 곰바게 당한수 파이니 그르드 롱군제 지세요레 곰바테 그르드 곰바세다 니타는 적갈라면 봐 어디 곰바테 아니 디 롱군 그르드 롱군테 라마가 할리바 삼치 마차피 라마티머 톤톤 디 밍라 공군 셀라 그르드 롱뇽제 아니 처음에가 할리바 지금 공개 대반정도 시티미 라마 삼치 마차가진스 되니 럼보체 양띠 거드롱 건 대콩을 참라대 배우고여서 되니 지금마디 가르사디 다다 거드롱윤띠 콩을 라사 배우는 되니 라사 대촌이 차와 땅거여서 말해 차와 땅거여 말해서 근데 배 차와 먹다가 배 갑리여서 되니 거드롱윤 라치랑 인직면 지금 차와 밥으로 지세는 되니 보달라나니 보달라요라 아니 보다라는 아니 저런 그 차와에 고직 밥듬나 되니 저런 가리 무아 가리 그는 가서 되게 연습 저런 인치면 지금서 차와 지 밥고 그래서 고송아 되니 차와 밥 터정나 되니 저런 무아 가리 그는 저런 듣고서 나가서 저런 되게 연습는 되니 공개되지 되니 대 공개 라서는 그래서 되니 말은 춤매지고 그래서 춤매 아니 디 보달이 티라 가르사 알라가 초제는 초지게 요래 름초다 로데사가 된다 초지 루요와 디명 알라가 초제 어디 나라 공급인 좀에도 시가 zon는 데는 초가 나라 만로 송데스 되니 제로서 차와 밥제 차와 밥니 아니 되게 당송네 아니 나라 깨당쇼스 롱년 차와가 차와 릭 송데는 깨당쇼스 되니 디바 디랍쇼.
And so I wanted to share one story that I heard from Rinpoche. Back when he was in Tibet, there was one Gelugpa monastery, right? Okay. One Gelugpa monastery named Kurdu Gompa. And Denedi Mitserap Gashing Hunla Rawa. Okay. And Rinpoche would go there from time to time and stay there. And that place had a lama who lived a couple generations before. His name was Kurdu Rongyung. Kurdu Nyun like crazy. Kurdu Rongyun. And this was an incredible sort of crazy magical yogi who lived at that monastery. An extraordinary realized master. And there were many stories about him, but anyway, Rinpoche sometimes went there and to this monastery. And so he told the story that one time Kurdu Rongyun went to Lhasa, and they were having a terrible time with drought. There had been no rain in Lhasa. And they asked him to please bring the rain. And next to the Potala, there was a lake there, a lake where the Nagas lived. So they asked him to bring rain. And they said to him, if you can make it rain, we will offer you whatever you want, whatever you wish for, we will give it to you if you can make it rain. So next to the Potala, there was a lake, and this was a special sacred place of the Nagas. And so the Lama asked for a butter lamp. He said, please bring me a butter lamp. They gave him a butter lamp, and holding the butter lamp, he walked into the lake and disappeared into the lake. Oh, and he said, before he went in, he said, when it's rained enough, come to the lake and call me. So, so he went walking into this lake and disappeared.
어디지는 대니 콩을 말하다 단다 지난 송야 된 속은 안 로저와 대니 차와 빼먹어 봐서가 차와 지금 와서 하 리바 라서 준이 랑 하 리바 밥저 됐어요. 대니 밥저 됐다 건수 깼다는 롱년 단 저기 송 차와 저기 송세는데 건수 깼다는 그래서 대니 콩게 야라 땅기 마 처음에 그러는 로라 양 처음에 때야 땅기 마로 찍봐 직장진에 야 처음에 때 그런 야라 용을 했어.
So he walked into the lake and disappeared, and then it started to rain, and it rained and rained, the most incredible downpour everywhere. And so after they'd had quite a lot of rain, they came to the lake and they called. They said, Rangyong, we've had enough rain, please come out. And so then he came walking out of the lake holding the lit butter lamp as he came.
데니티지네 데니타 치랑라 무아 가리고 근두스 치랑 가리고 나가서 무아 잡고 연스 데니가 무아 지가 망보 먹었 아니 보달라가 난가 간저 보달라가 난라 간저 차랑이 요사래 야니 디난가 찍던가라 대족지스 디테나 데니 되금득이요스.
And so once he came back out of the lake, everyone said, well, what can we offer you? What do you wish for? What do you need? We would like to give you whatever you need. And he said, oh, I don't really need much. So at that time in the Potala Palace, there were two very sacred sets of the Kongyur teachings, pechas. And he said, please just give me one of those sets, and that will be fine.
데니 거주지나 때 가시 때 가와가 때나 뱃살에다 보달라게 난거 나한테 연남이나로와 아니 되지도 아니 가시 그때 장난 그래 그 크르탑고 말해서 그런 크르탑고 말했다가 그때 장난 그래 데니 그렇다 담아대 그런 때죠 그래 데니요 단다 그 그런 초 로사디어로와 단다 그 안디 보달라게 지금 초 종종다 단다 그런 로사 어디나라 말아 디티라 크르쇼스 아니 데니 콘수 디티라 크 아니 데 그런 거 말아 성마듬 팀 속은 나 얘기죠 그래 단다 간저.
And so this was a little bit shocking because this was like one of the sort of inner supports of the Potala Palace. And so some people were just saying, no, really, we shouldn't give that to him at all. You know, that's not good. We shouldn't give this away. But other people were like, well, why not just give it to him? He won't be able to carry it all the way back to his home anyway. So it should be fine, right? So they decided to give it to him. And he said, okay, bring it to me. He was still by the lake. And so they brought it to the lake. They brought it to him. And he just took them and threw them into the lake.
데니 뒤지고 다 가서 뒤지고 데니 문화 단다 롱군 그래도 롱군 럼부 집회 건데 사오 어디 살짝 그런 곰바게 치라 단다 요래서디 간저 데니야라 디사다 땡호마다 소지나 다든다 그 가서 닌도아 가르사 동친도가 가르사 동치가 명라 well now 어디 디나니 야라 간저 상마트 야라 디나리 통용레스 콩르가 말하다 나와 시그니즈가 말할 하산이 레비오사라 렘니니 콩거 간저 크리오스 아니 간저 데니 랭고스는 데니 야라 간저 디나니 야라 통용레스.
And so there is still this so back at his monastery, this Lama's monastery, there is one place kind of near the monastery, very nice place, and there's a well there. And so when the Lama came back from Lhasa and arrived home, it took 1 or 2 months for him to get home. And then he went to the well, and then the pages just came out of the well.
디나리 통용레세. 그 디지고 다다 름부치 송야다 데니 코즈 곰바나라 디 간지르다 짝된도 세근도와 간지르다 던다이나 그더 롱용그마 라사니 크리용레스. 아니 할리바 짜침보인레스는 던다 짝된도 데니 콩고 디지고 다 간지르다 빼 카르사 간지르 빼트미오라와 또 처음에 양바치나 콘즈 빼 짜침보진다 시달락반 창거요 사마리. 다 데니 창닝그 마레 삼나 콘소 다 라마 침보가 베자던다 살하사니 그래용을 해더니 다가모갈 간창나에 호여지 말해서 디네르모치 콩거디 디베자디 데자 베텀다도 소제고사래 니 사자다 볼고사래도 아니 저런거 파는 느거래 그게 제 다지세요스 뭔가스 para 카르사한스티 빠딱 맞춰서 당한스 딱 맞춰서 카르세 그럼
We can't decide, or we're not comfortable to change.
Yeah,
it or something?
we don't have that ability.
Ability.
Yeah, that is.
Were they like a little bit afraid, or a
Yes,
little bit
exactly.
like less so? Okay.
럼부치 체크 야 버정은 간소 배 지스 이랑요스.
Less so. And so that was the story. And when Gyalta Rinpoche went to Kurdu Gompa, he saw these texts, these extraordinary, very sacred texts that had been brought out of the well, and that were there in the monastery. And but they were placed on kind of a low table. They were too close to the ground. Some of their tags were almost touching the ground, and they were also very kind of old and dusty, and the covers were not nice. And so Gyalta Rinpoche said, I would really like to offer new Pecha covers, and I'd really like to put these in a more respectful place where they can really be venerated. But all the people in the monastery, they were a little bit uncomfortable, a little bit afraid, because they didn't want to break with tradition. They didn't want to move these pages from where they had been placed by this great Lama a few generations before. And so they said to him, if you would like to cover them, and if you would like to put them in a new place, that would be wonderful, and we will rejoice. But we ourselves, we're not comfortable doing that. We're a little bit scared to do that. And so Gyalta Rinpoche himself bought new Pecha covers and wrapped these pages and put them in a place of veneration.
데니 gyalta rinpoche 콩거다데 지랑 송야데 구젠 빼야고 짱짱 뉴네 아니 디 빼자 처마 콩거디 tum처마 당보 셈스터 zemgachi 아니 디마 크레용 처마 베텀지 아니 콩거디 빼자 유적사가 단단한수 가르사 담크 처마 존이데니 빼자 처마 야라디 토가유적 디지고 디 다스트 제가 빼양 지금 신럽 첨부 어디 밑에서라 지금 나자 가리 용나 뒤에 디데레 콘서트적도 배 뱅거요레스.
The dust from the pages was very.
대양 배신럽 첨부레스. 아니 디 밑에서 지금 나자 당 아니 샘진 던로로 한건서. 어떤서라 지금 나자로 요래 뒤서라 제적도 람 정도야 던다가 배인데.
So Rinpoche hired a seamster to come and to sew really nice brocade covers for these pages, and he made them a nice new place, high place to be kept. And so they were placed there. But in fact, it's also good to know that even just the dust that was on these pages was considered to be very, very blessed and very sacred. If someone was sick, they could eat a little bit of that dust, or it could be given to animals who were sick. And it would be a great blessing. It would heal them.
어때야 다 딘사만 좀 되나 뒤졌다가 노송 냐가냐 봐. 고다 되니 정말 특지치 다 지금마양이디 갈래는 다 아리니 나랑 rumbu치냠도 몽보데레티 응아마트 지금망이 학기인스.
And so I'm so sorry I took up a lot of time with these stories. And maybe next time I can tell a little bit about what it was like to be with Rinpoche in America and to stay with him for so long.
Thank you, everybody.
Naso.
두지치. Oh yeah, 두지치 알라.